how to reactivate a deactivated Gcash account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reactivate a deactivated Gcash account. If you received an email on account deactivation and cannot access your Gcash account anymore, it means your account was deactivated. In line with Bangko Sentral and G-Filipinas rules and regulations, Gcash accounts will be deactivated if they are not fully verified and haven't used Gcash in the last 12 months. You may click here and read more about this policy. If you want to use Gcash again, you will need to create a new Gcash account. Note that your old account cannot be recovered. If your Gcash account has a remaining wallet balance, you may follow the steps to claim your funds. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.